Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing your YouTube search history and watch history on the iOS YouTube app for iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch the YouTube app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap your profile from the top right of the screen. Open Settings from the bottom of the list. Now, in the settings, scroll down until you see the History and Privacy settings. Here you can see buttons to clear your watch history and clear your search history. Tap on them and then confirm your decision on the pop-up. Your search history and/or comment history on YouTube has now been cleared. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.